Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stole. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle. 14 stitches, multiple of 7, 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 5. This is 7 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 7. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 5. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. Now purl 3 stitches with 2 times yarn over. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Purl 1, yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 1, purl 3 stitches with 2 times yarn over, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. Now purl 3 stitches with 2 times yarn over, 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 purl 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 knit 2 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. 5th row, right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2 yarn in back. Now slip 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now take these 5 stitches on your left needle and take 5 stitches together from back loop and make 3 from 5 stitches from back loop. First we knit 1, now yarn over 2, knit again 3, drop this 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, make 3 from 5 stitches, 1 2 3. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, yarn in front, purl 2 1 2 yarn in back, slip 5 1 2 3 4 5. Take these 5 stitches on your left needle and make 3 from 5 stitches from back loop. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, drop this 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Now last 3 stitches, purl 2 1 2 knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed now. 6th row, wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2 1 2 yarn over to front, purl 3 1 2 3 yarn over to back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2 yarn over, purl 3 yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches has? One more time. Knit 2 1 2 yarn over to front, purl 3 1 2 3 yarn over to back. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches, knit 2 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 2 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of an. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.